In this video, I'm going to show you where to find promo code deals for Pocket Options. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, for this demonstration, I'm going to be using Google. And now in the Google search box, I'm going to type in Pocket Options promo codes. Once I've done that, I'm going to hit search, and then we'll be brought to the Google search results. And now inside the results here, we've got third-party sites offering these different promo code deals. WeThrift is a good site to get promo code deals. It says here 95% off in August 2024. I'm making this video in August 2024. If we keep scrolling down, we've got evensaver.com, Coupon Chief. We can check out any one of these sites, but one I like to use is WeThrift for this site. For Pocket Options. The good thing about WeThrift, you can see the history of the code as well. So if we go ahead and expand the history here, you can see when it was last used and how many total uses. So for this particular code that's got 50% off, it was last used 1 hour ago with almost close to 200,000 users. And another cool fact, it says Pocket Option promo code was reported working by shoppers 2 minutes ago, because we know how frustrating it can be if we get a promo code deal and we put it in the checkout section and it doesn't work, and you got to go back and repeat the process and find a working promo code deal. So WeThrift has these stats to let you know when it was last working. So another thing with these sites, they do change daily, weekly, monthly, so you might find better deals. So if we want to activate this 50% off, simply click on copy code and now paste this code at the checkout section of Pocket Options to enjoy your savings.